how to perform telekinesis on paper. Focus on third eye meditation exercises. That's how I got to this point. Um, Meditate on or you can say yourself, arm meditations on YouTube. You can find them. Get to the point where your third eye is pulsating, and the way I push is with my third eye. I channel the energy out from my hand. So it's like you pulsate, you push with your third eye, and you can push objects. So that's the basic for pushing paper. Yeah, that's about it for the video for now. More tutorials soon.